Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be just talking about the AutoCAD Certified Professional Pretest. I've got this beautiful document with all the answers for you guys. We look forward to speaking to you about this. This is just going to be a quick one, and we look forward to talking to you. So let's dive right into it. So guys, what we've got for you today is we've got the pre-test, pre-assessment answer keys for the AutoCAD Certified Professional exam. So I have this answer key, it's down in the description, go check it out. One thing that I would like to mention though is that the answers are not in order. This is the order it was in for me. It's not necessarily the order it's going to be in for you. Another thing I'd like to mention is on the first question and in another question, I got this wrong. I got 55 out of 57 correct. So I had to go and correct these. So this is the correct answer down here. So please do not go through and select this one. This is the right one. The one you're going to get downloaded is going to have all of the correct answers highlighted in the orange so that it's easier for you guys to follow along with. So you can see here, this is a few pages of information. So we've got, I don't know, 45 pages of answer keys here. This is all the answers you're going to need when you're going through, when you're practicing. And this is just, really great and helpful that we thought we would put together for you guys. This is a part of our AutoCAD, in our AutoCAD Architect program. We actually go over getting you certified. We teach you how to get certified. You practice your certification skills and everything. If you're interested in that, I've got a free webinar on this. You can go check out the link. I put it right up there. Go click it. It's also down in the description. Go check out the webinar. It will be really helpful to you, especially if you're in architecture, civil engineering, or anything in that vein of work. I would like to mention, again, we focus mostly on architecture, but one of our modules deals exclusively with AutoCAD certified professional things. So go check this out. We just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. I hope this was helpful. If you need any more help with anything, please let us know. We look forward to seeing you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. If you're looking to master architectural design and get certified in AutoCAD, and you don't feel like spending 2 years and $10,000 or more on education, then we've got the perfect webinar for you. It's called AutoCAD Practical Design. It's completely 100% free. Go check out the link. It's sure to help you, and we look forward to seeing you inside.